Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Supreet, welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 3rd February and we'll start with the highlights of today's presentation. So, in continuation, 3 western disturbances likely to affect Western Himalaya region during next 7 days. Under the influence of present western disturbance, light to moderate rainfall or snowfall expected over higher reaches of Western Himalaya region today, and also light to moderate isolated scattered rainfall likely over East Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh today. Apart from that, dense to very dense fog conditions likely during morning or night hours at isolated or few places over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, plains of northwest India and also over North Madhya Pradesh till 5th of February. Now we'll see the observed weather during last 24 hours. So dense to very dense fog where visibility was less than 50 meter observed from many places over Punjab and Haryana and also over Chandigarh, also West Uttar Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh and also over 1 or 2 places over West Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya and East Rajasthan. Dense fog where visibility was between 50 to 199 meter observed over many places in Delhi and also at isolated pockets of Uttarakhand. Regarding rainfall, light to moderate rainfall or snowfall occurred at many places over Jammu and Kashmir and also over Himachal Pradesh, and light to moderate rainfall occurred at isolated places over Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh and East Rajasthan. Also thunderstorm accompanied with squall, gusty wind speeds with the speed reaching over 30 to 50 km per hour also reported over from Himachal Pradesh, and hailstorm reported from West Uttar Pradesh. Now we'll see the synoptic system prevailing over our region. Present western disturbance is seen as cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and adjoining Punjab in the lower tropospheric levels, along with the trough in middle tropospheric level roughly along longitude 70 degree east to the north of latitude 25 degree north. And then induced cyclonic circulation also lies over northwest Punjab and neighborhood in lower tropospheric level. And thereafter, 2 more fresh western disturbances likely to affect Western Himalaya region, first from the night of 5th February and second one from the night of 8th February 2026. Also, there is a cyclonic circulation over Lakshadweep and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea in lower tropospheric level, and also there is a trough also which runs from South Kerala to off Karnataka coast, and then subtropical westerly jet stream with core wind speeds of the order of 130 knots continues to blow over northeast India. Now, forecast of minimum temperatures for next 7 days. No significant change in minimum temperatures likely over northwest, central and east India during next 7 days, and over Maharashtra, gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade for next 48 hours, then gradual fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during next 3 days, and thereafter no significant change is forecasted. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is for today. So dense fog, dense to very dense fog conditions forecasted. Orange warning is given for Punjab, Haryana and also Western Uttar Pradesh. For Eastern Uttar Pradesh, there is also apart from dense to very dense fog condition at few places, there is also possibility of hailstorm at 1 or 2 places or isolated places, along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind speeds. That's why orange warning is issued over Uttar Pradesh and Punjab and Haryana. And yellow warning for dense fog conditions and thunderstorm is given for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, East Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh today. And for West Rajasthan, dense fog conditions are likely, yellow warning is issued for them, and under the influence of western disturbance, as told earlier, higher reaches of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh may experience snowfall, and also in the lower reaches scattered light to moderate rainfall also predicted, along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind speeds, which is predicted over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Also yellow warning for all these regions. For day 2, the dense fog warning continues over most of the northwest India states such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and sub-Himalayan Western Bengal and Sikkim, and also over Madhya Pradesh. And for day 3, fog warning is given. Yellow warning for dense fog is given only for Bihar and eastern Uttar Pradesh. For day 4, 5, 6, 7, presently no significant weather warning is given for today. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.